Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can move any file or folder within your Google Drive. So first let's access our Google Drive either using the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. Then once you are inside the home page, you need to click on the My Drive button on the left hand side. So it is done so that you can easily access the file or folder that you want to move. Then you can navigate to the file that you want to move to any other folder. So for example, I want this utils.js file to be moved to some other folder. So what I will do is simply click on these three vertical dots right here. And from here, I can see this organize button. Simply hover your cursor and you can see this move button. You may also press the Control Alt and M key combinations as well. Then once you have clicked on the move button, a dialog box will appear asking you to where move the file. So for example, I want this folder to be moved to this My Drive. So I'll click on it, and from here I either click on this button or click on this button. It will move the file, and here you can see since this has been already accessed, I need to simply click on this move button right here. And from here you can see this message that utils.js has been moved from JS to My Drive. To verify that, we can simply go to My Drive, and here you can see that the utils.js has been moved to this folder right now. It is not like a shortcut. For example, this is a shortcut using which you can access the file, but the file will remain there. But when you move the file will be transferred to this new location right here. So that's it for this video. I hope you have liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.